Hello everyone, welcome back in the next video of object-oriented programming series, Override Inherited Methods. Topic for this video. In previous lessons, you learned that an object can inherit its behavior or methods from another object by referencing its prototype object. In this case, when you are accessing parent object.prototype and passing it inside object.create, then its properties are inherited by child object.prototype. Then the child object receives its own method by chaining them into its prototype. It's possible to override an inherited method. It's done the same way by adding method to child object.prototype using the same method name as the one to override. Here is an example of bird overriding the eat method inherited from animal. In this case, we have animal constructor and animal prototype which has eat property or eat method in this case, and we have a bird constructor and bird.prototype inherit methods from the animal prototype, and again we override this eat method by this eat method. If you have an instance, let duck equal to new bird and you call duck.eat. This is how JavaScript looks at method on duck's prototype chain. First, it will check for duck. Is it defined here? And in this case, no. Then it will go to bird. Is it defined here? And then in this case, yes. Then execute it to and stop searching. And then therefore it never goes to this level animal. It is also defined here, but JavaScript stopped searching before reaching this level. And at the last level, we have object, but before this, JavaScript stopped searching before reaching this level. Task for this challenge: override the fly method for penguin so that it returns, alas, this is a flightless bird. In that case, we have a bird constructor, bird.prototype.fly, and we have penguin constructor, penguin.prototype, and constructor. Okay, we need penguin dot prototype dot fly, and instead of that function we will return, alas, this is a flightless bird. Let's run the tests and download my solution. And thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.